You don't need a budget to make something worth watching anymore. A YouTuber with no film school background just sold his debut horror film for $15 million at TIFF. Curry Barker didn't wait for a budget or a crew. He just made the thing. If you've had a story idea sitting in your notes and nothing's stopping you but resources, Google Flow just took that excuse away. Here's what I built with it.
How long has it been? The monitors never change. I can hear them watching. They want me to sleep, but I can't close my eyes.
Welcome to AI Chief. I'm Clay Fletcher. Every week, we find the best free AI tools and show you exactly how to use them. Subscribe and join our weekly newsletter. Link in the description. Let's get into it. Most story ideas never make it past the Notes app. Not because they aren't good enough, but because turning an idea into an actual film has always required a script, a cast, locations, filming time, and hours of editing on the other side. Google Flow removes every single one of those walls, and it's completely free. Let me show you how it works. Google Flow is Google's free AI creative studio that brings image generation, video generation, and a full storyboard builder into one workspace. It launched in its current form in February 2026, and you sign in with a regular Google account, no credit card required. When you first join, you get 100 starter credits, and then 50 more reset every single day after that. One honest thing before we build anything, each 10-second video clip costs around 20 credits, which means you're getting about 2 to 3 clips per day on the free tier. For a full short film, you'll need a few sessions or a paid plan. I'll show you how to work smart within those limits so nothing goes to waste. Head over to Google Flow and click New Project. Once you're inside, open the Tools menu on the left, select Storyboard Studio, and choose your visual style. I went with realistic for this survival story. Now here's the part that genuinely surprised me. You don't need a finished script. You don't even need a paragraph. Just type your idea in one sentence. The script is done. Now go to Assets, and right now it's completely empty. Click Autofill Characters and watch what happens. Flow reads the script and generates every character automatically. Head to Storyboard and click Autofill Scenes. This is where it stops feeling like a tech demo and starts feeling like an actual film. Flow generates every visual panel in sequence. If still images with a voiceover is all you need, you're done here. Download everything in 2K and build your video. But let's take it one step further. Click the 3-dot menu on any scene and select Animate. This runs on Google's Veo 3.1 model, the same one powering all video generation across every tier. Copy the scene description, paste it into the Generation tab, and hit Generate. That static image just became a moving scene, with camera movement, lighting, and atmosphere all matched to the story. Now the honest part. Each clip costs around 20 credits, so plan your generations carefully. Prioritize your strongest scenes first, and use the free daily credits across a few sessions to complete the film. One habit that saves a lot of credits: read each prompt carefully before you generate, not after. Catching a small issue before the generation runs is always better than burning credits on a redo. Once your clips are ready, download them all and bring them into CapCut, which is completely free. Lay your voiceover down on the timeline first, since that's the backbone of the whole edit. Then line each clip up to match its narration. Add auto captions, drop background music underneath at a low enough level that it supports the voiceover rather than competing with it, and put a simple fade between clips. That's the entire edit. And here's what came out the other side.
How long has it been? The monitors never change. I can hear them watching. They want me to sleep, but I can't close my eyes.
a complete short film, script, cast, world, every scene animated and cut together, built from one sentence and a few afternoons of free credits. Curry Barker had a camera and a small budget. You have Google Flow and CapCut. The gap really is that small now. If you've got a story sitting in your notes right now, stop waiting and build it. Drop your idea in the comments and I'll help you improve the prompt. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe to AI Chief. Every week, we break down the best free AI tools and show you exactly how to use them. And don't forget to join the AI Chief newsletter for free prompts, AI tools, and the biggest AI updates delivered straight to your inbox. You'll find both links in the description.